A broadcast or cable system has issued a required weekly test for the following counties, areas: Bland, Tazewell, VA, Mercer, WV, at 2:40 p.m. on February 6, 2026, effective until 2:55 p.m. Message from Comcast. This is a test of the West Virginia and Virginia Emergency Alert System. This is only a test, no action is required.